I got three beans here, and I'm not sure. This is a full can of black beans, Great Northern beans right here, and some kidney beans right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the whole can of beans, so that's why I got them in separate bowls. But what I typically do is when I'm using canned beans, I put them in a strainer and rinse them off. Now, a lot of vegan and vegetarians save that liquid that's in the can of canned beans, and they use it to make whipped cream out of, vegan whipped cream out of. It's called aquafaba. They use that, and I don't need to do that, so I just rinsed all of mine off. So these cans are all rinsed, and I'm just gonna dump them in this bowl with some onions and some tomatoes and some cilantro, and I'm gonna make me a lime vinaigrette. So I've got about half of each one of the beans in this bowl with a little tomatoes and some red onions. I'm gonna add some cilantro. And the thing that I love with beans is cumin. So I buy whole cumin seeds and I grind them up in my grinder with salt and pepper, and that's what I'm going to use to season the beans with. Cumin on beans is so delicious, y'all. It is so good. Cumin is good on eggs too, but I just really love cumin on beans, and we're going to get down. So one of the good things about a salad like this is that you basically get all your protein and fiber from the beans. You get plenty of protein and you get plenty of fiber. The chips are just an added bonus because I just love nachos, y'all, and I just love eating chips. But this is a quick little salad that is healthy, and I think that your kids will enjoy. Now, I don't need a lot of sugary type stuff, but if you or your kids are those type of people, you can make a simple vinaigrette with a little olive oil, a little pure maple syrup, and a little lime juice, fresh lime juice squeezed in it with a little salt and pepper, and pour that over the beans, and then they get like a slight little sweet afterbite that's not so unhealthy for them, and it'll encourage them to eat beans. That's what I want to encourage y'all to do, is to figure out a way to get more beans and greens and fruits and vegetables into your children's diet, because what you will discover, and this is one of the things that I discovered when I was raising my children, is that I had to change their taste buds, and mine and my husband's taste buds also, because we were eating out way too much, and I had to figure out a way to do it. And what I noticed was as their taste buds was changing, when they started eating processed food occasionally again, they could taste the preservatives. They could taste that something that was processed, that was sweet, was extra sweet versus a cupcake or cookie that I made homemade from scratch. That's one of the things you want to work on doing, and that way that'll help get some of that processed food out of their system and get more regular food in their system, which is what they really should be eating. So this is a great little salad. You can use whatever beans you want, and all it is just beans, red onions, some tomatoes, some cilantro, some lime juice, a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and some cumin. But you could add whatever seasoning you like. I also always add cayenne pepper to everything because I'm an older lady and I want my blood flowing. So cayenne is good for the blood flow. So I add cayenne to everything. Plus I like a little spice in my life. So that's what I do. So that's how I'm rolling today. I want y'all to go out and enjoy this meal. This is going to be so good. This is a complete meal right here. And you can enjoy this meal and feel good about what you fed your kids, okay? All right. I'm Val Taylor. I'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all go ahead and make it a great day. Bye now.